Hello my dear students of class 9th. Now I am going to start Act 2, Scene 3. The scene is taking place at Venice. A room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Lancelot is the servant of Shylock and Jessica is the daughter of Shylock. Jessica says to Lancelot, I am sorry thou wilt leave my father so. Our house is hell, and thou a merry devil didst rob it some of taste of tediousness. I regret, I am sad, I regret that you are leaving my father's house, father's service in this way. This is not the way to leave my father's house. Our house is like hell, but you have been a merry devil in it. You used to marry me. That reduced some of the boredom. The house is full of boredom. You made me merry and reduced my some of my boredom. But fare thee well, there is a ducat for thee. But here is a ducat for you. Here is a ducat. She gives a ducat to Lancelot and says, and Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Give him this letter. Do it secretly. And so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. She says, but farewell. You are going, so farewell. Here is a ducat for you. Listen, Lancelot. You will see Lorenzo soon at supper, at dinner time. He is your new master's guest tonight. Lorenzo will be Bassanio's guest tonight. New master means Bassanio. Old master was Shylock. Master guest tonight. He is your new master's guest tonight. Give him this letter. Do it secretly. Now go bye. Now bye. See you. Goodbye. I would not like my father to see me talking to you. Lancelot said, adieu. Tears exhibit my tongue. Goodbye. Tears prevent me. I am not able to speak. Tears speak me. Tears prevent me from speaking. Most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the name and get thee, I am much deceived. My beautiful pagan, my dear Jewess, goodbye. I will feel cheated if a Christian, means Lorenzo, is going to play dishonest and get you. But goodbye. These foolish tears somehow dampen my manly courage. Manly courage. Manhood. Farewell. He departs. Jessica says, farewell, good Lancelot. Like, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian and thy loving wife. She says, alas, what a terrible sin it is for me to feel ashamed to be the daughter of my father. it is very shameful matter to feel to feel ashamed to be the father, to be the daughter of Shylock, such type of father. Though I am his child by blood, I do not have his habits. O Lorenzo, if you keep your promise, I will put an end to this conflict, for I will become a Christian and your dear wife. Means, if Lorenzo will keep his promise, he will marry to Jessica and she will converted into a Christian. She departs. Now, Act 2, Scene 4. Scene 4 is taking place at Venice. A street. Enter Graciano, Lorenzo, Celerino and Selenio. These are all the friends of Bassanio. Lorenzo says, "Nay, we will slink away in supper time, disguise us at my lodging, and return all in an hour." Lorenzo says, "No, we will slip away at supper time, disguise ourselves at my house, and then come back in an hour." They have planned to go to Jessica's house. Graciano says, "We have not made good preparation. We have not made good arrangements." Selenio says, "We have not spoke us yet of torch bearers." Selenio says, "We have not yet spoken about torch bearers who shows the path, who shows the way. It's called torch bearers." Jessica would be the torch bearers. Selenio says, "That is vile, unless it may be quaintly ordered and better in my mind, not undertook." Selenio says, "It is useless thing unless it is done properly." It is a useless thing unless it is done properly. According to me, I would be better not to do it. He does not want to go to Jessica's house with them. Lorenzo says that is now but 4 o'clock, we have 2 hours to furnish us. Lorenzo says, "It is now already 4 o'clock and we have only 2 hours to prepare ourselves. 2 hours time is left to prepare ourselves." Enter Lancelot with a letter which was given by Jessica. "Friend Lancelot, what's the news?" "Hello Lancelot, what's the news?" Lancelot says, "And it shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify." Lancelot says, "If you open this letter, you will know what it is." Lorenzo says, "I know the hand in faith that is a fair hand, and whiter than the paper it writ on is the fair hand that writ." I recognize, Lorenzo says, "I recognize the handwriting. Indeed, it was written by a fair hand, which is whiter than the paper it wrote on." Graciano says, "Love news in faith. This is a love letter indeed." Lancelot says, "By your leave, sir." "May I leave, sir? Can I go, sir?" Lorenzo says, "Whither goes thou? Where are you going?" Lancelot says, "Marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian." Lancelot says, by blessed Mary, sir, I am going to invite my previous master, means Shylock, the Jew, to have supper tonight with my new master, the Christian." Lorenzo says, "Hold here. take this, gives money. Tell gentle Jessica, I will not fail her. Speak it privately. Go, gentleman. Exit Lancelot. Lorenzo also gives Lancelot money and says, wait a little, take this, giving Lancelot money. Tell Jessica that I will not let her down. I will marry her. Give her the message secretly. Lancelot goes out. Will you prepare you for this mask tonight? I am provided for a torch bearer. Gentleman, will you prepare for the mask tonight? Mask is a type, is a dance in the court, dance which is performed in the court or before the royal or king. Yes, indeed, I will go to make necessary preparation at once. So will I. Sereno says, so will I. Lorenzo says, meet me and Greciano at Greciano's lodging some hour hence. Lorenzo says, meet me and Greciano at his house in about an hour from now. Sereno says, it is good that we do so. That is good we do so. Sereno and Sereno departs. Greciano says, was not that letter from fair Jessica? Greciano asked the question, wasn't that letter from lovely Jessica? Lorenzo says, I must needs tell thee all. She hath directed how I shall take her from her father's house. I must tell you everything about it. She has given instructions about how I should arrange for her escape from her father's house. How? What gold and jewels she is furnished with, what page's suit she hath in readiness. She says, she has told me how she will elope from her father's house with Lorenzo. She has told me the amount of gold and jewels she can bring with her, and about the page boy's uniform which she has prepared. If ever the Jew, her father, come to heaven, it will be for his gentle daughter's sake. He says, if the Jew, her father, ever goes to heaven, it will be because of his gentle daughter. And never dare misfortune cross her foot unless you do it under this excuse that she is issued to a faithless Jew. Come, go with me, pursue this as thou goest, for Jessica shall be my torch bearer. If the Jew, her father, he says, Lorenzo says, if the Jew, her father, ever goes to heaven, it will be because of his gentle daughter. May misfortune never come to her unless under the excuse of being the daughter of a non-believing Jew. Come with me, read the letter as you go along. The fair Jessica shall be my torch bearer. They depart. Now, part 6 and 7 completed. Now I will start Act 2, Scene 5 in my next video. Thank you, student. Thank you so much.